think it's time I prank some engines.
Oh, hello, Rosie. Where do you want these?
Meow.
Is everything all right, Rosie? Indeed. Is everything all right, Mrs. Rosie? Toad, we should get going. Come along.
Rosie, what are you doing up at Farquhar? I gotta go.
Oh, hey, Rosie. What's up?
Meow.
You're kidding me, right?
Meow.
I've got to go. See you later.
Well, I like doing that, and I might do it again.